In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buttons on Carrd. Whether you're creating a personal site or a landing page, buttons can really enhance user interaction and navigation. We'll walk you through a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Carrd website. Hopefully, you already have an account set up, as Carrd is an excellent tool for creating simple yet elegant one-page websites. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already comfortable with it. It's always a good idea to have your site layout in mind before you start adding elements. Now, let's add a button. Look for the plus icon. This is your go-to for adding new elements. Click that plus icon and you'll see a variety of options appear. From this menu, select Buttons. You'll notice this opens up various customization options, allowing you to tailor the button to fit your site's aesthetic. Next up, you'll want to choose the style of icon you'd like to use for your button. Carrd offers a variety of styles to match the tone of your page, be it professional, playful, or minimalist. Consider what best suits your purpose and brand identity. By default, Carrd provides some versatile and clean designs, so take your time browsing through them. Once you've settled on a style, it's time to label your button. Adding a label is crucial as it lets visitors know what to expect when they click. It should be concise yet descriptive, perhaps something like "Learn more," "Contact us," or "Get started." Following that, attach a URL to your button. This will be the destination where users are taken after clicking. Make sure the link is accurate and functioning. Double-check it by pasting it in a new browser tab if needed. Feeling colorful? You can certainly update the color of your button to align with your site's color scheme. This is a great way to ensure that the button stands out yet complements the overall design. Carrd provides a simple color picker tool, so you can experiment with different hues and see what works best. Consider color contrast as well. You want your button to be visible without clashing with other elements on the page. Finally, once you're thrilled with your button, go ahead and click Done. Ensure everything looks just how you envisioned. Preview your site to see the button in action and check that the link works seamlessly. Remember, you can always revisit and tweak it if changes are needed later on. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently use buttons on Carrd. It's a simple yet powerful way to engage users and guide them through your content. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site building.